Hello, good day, my friends. I'm Oliver from Token Hobby. Now I bring you one Bulldozer from JDM. It is DXR2. It is a tough guy, very strong, heavy one. We will start it, running to see the functions, to see the details. Okay, let's start. We got this radio. Okay, here we put the battery. Connections here. It is connected. Okay, let's start it. Engine start. This driver motor is very powerful. Right side, right side. Okay, we got this metal plate here. Very heavy stuff. We will push it to see. I believe this Bulldozer for pushing driving is very powerful. Okay, clear the table. Let's start the hydraulic pump to see. Pump start. To the front. This one, the front, left, up and down. Go down. It is very powerful, can lift up the whole body. Okay. And you see got one more cylinder this side, so you can lean to left and right. The spin this cylinder, we will move it. Lean to right side. Then lean to left side. Okay, horizontal. Let's see the back side. Front one, we forgot about one function is lean. Most position is already see. Okay, good. You will see the back side, the rear side of the Reaper. Reaper got two cylinders on top to adjust the angle. Also, this one can lift up the whole body. Okay, we will push also forward one. So, to make all this body go up. Now we will start running the wheel, the tracks we will see. Take it down. This is the angle, so you can see it. Okay, so now I will keep it silence, then we will see a little bit details of this one. pump off. So from the outer looking, we see this exhaust pipe with these flaps can be opened. Got suction filter. We will see where we put the battery. This battery chamber in the front, we see we got the receiver here and the ESC for driver motor, and there we got the sound system main board. And down there under the cabin now cannot be opened. There are the hydraulic pump and the reverse valve, the hose all there. We will put this back. Okay, and also in the front a little bit, you will see there is the pressure release valve. Need to see from this part. Is in the front. The pressure release valve is there. Come all the way from the pump is at the rear part. We will close this one and see other parts. Okay, close it. Here we got the cabin. The door could be opened also with lock. You see the seat and the controlling there, the brake. At this side, you see here is the filling for the oil tank. So here under here is the oil tank, and this for the chassis, the drive wheel, two idlers, and also this the tension of the track could be adjusted because here you see got piston inside have spring, can be pushed. Yeah, you see. Very a little bit tough. You see, anyway, can be pushed a little. So if the track not keeping a little tension of the track, not to be so tight. At the back side, you see this rear, also this adjusting by these two cylinders. This can move a little bit angle, and down there for another two cylinders for going down and up, moving the ripper. Under there, you will see the hydraulic pump motor. It is there. The pump body inside cannot see, but from here you will see the two driver motor. It is inside there, the black one. It is a very big motor, so that's why you see it is very powerful driving forward and back. Here we got one directional some block to separate the oil hose to go to each two cylinder. Okay, so at the front, we see the front face. It's like a cooling net here, and here we got the two cylinder. We have reversed, keep this position for the light, so later can be upgraded and assembled with lights, LED lights. So on this, we got this connection rod, so could link to this blade one side, another side, so keeping balance. Here we got another cylinder for the blade to lean, to adjusting the angle. Okay, this side you see all these connections with this joint, can move, can turning. Okay, so now we can see everything is clear. What pity is inside the reverse valve under the cabin so many bolts, so now we cannot see it. We will close this door. So thank you. This is the JDM Bulldozer. It is DXR2. Thank you very much. Hope to see you again. Any questions, any suggestions, it is welcome. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.